Hi everyone! I've been busy renovating our townhouse, and I decided to go all in with a smart home setup. For this project, I chose the Lifx smart lighting system, connected through Apple Home Hub. I swapped out all of our old switches and light bulbs, mostly using Lifx and Aqara solutions. Here's a look at the switches. We've got both 2-gang and 4-gang options. The cool part is that every switch can be configured to control different areas of the home, so it's really flexible. On top of that, I also set up smart blind controllers. So now our curtains can automatically open in the morning and close at night without me lifting a finger. That's just a quick look at what I've done so far. If you'd like to see more of my smart home setup, like detailed tutorials, automations, or room-by-room walkthroughs, drop a comment down below and let me know what you're most interested in. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to follow along with the rest of the renovation journey.